Hi, this is Jason with VosbergTechCenter.com. We are back in full effect. Okay, so here we go. I've got the side of the computer case on. I've got all the fans hooked up. It looks nice and neat. Front's glowing blue. This is glowing blue. Power supply is glowing. Everything's glowing. It's going good. All right, so we have Windows 7 installed on the computer right now, and now we need to install the drivers. And if you go over here, go to the Start button, and you go to My Computer, and you right-click and go to Properties. You go to Device Manager. This will take you to where your drivers are at. Now you can see that our Ethernet controller, unknown device isn't installed, and this says that the chipset's already installed, but it's not. So we're going to grab our motherboard disk right now. Grab our motherboard disk, and we're going to install that. The driver's off this. We're going to open up the CD player. We're going to stick it in, and we're going to go. The very first thing that we're going to install is the chipset. Okay, this is really important. The chipset's really important. Okay, so it's going to be prompted to restart your computer multiple times. Yada yada yada. Now, after you install the chipset, you have to restart the computer. But after that, you don't have to restart the computer every time. All right, so we put our CD in. It's going to pop this up for us right here. We're gonna run it. That's what we're going to do. We're just going to hit run. And so we're going to run it. Yes, we'd like to run it. And so this is going to bring up our device drivers of everything the CD has to offer. And so we're going to pick and choose. Some discs will auto install and just do it all yourselves. Most of them will make you pick and choose. We want to pick and choose because we want to make sure we get the chipset installed first. Here's the order, okay? There's many different orders to install things. You can never go wrong with this order. Chipset, very first thing you do, install a chipset. Then install your video, and then install your LAN, and then go to audio, okay? LAN, Ethernet, Internet, same damn thing, okay? And so we're going to go with the chipset. A lot of times on computers, you go to install the device drivers, and no, we don't want that. We're going to skip this. All right, we're going to go right here to drivers. Okay? And we're going to go to AMD chipset driver. That's what we're looking for. And we're going to select it. That's the very first thing we're going to do. We're going to let it run its course. After this is done, it's going to ask us to restart the computer, and then we will restart the computer. Like I said before, on the rest of them that you do not have to restart the computer. It'll ask you, do you want to restart? You don't have to. But the chipset, you have to restart the computer to take effect. I'm going to let this install. I'll come back, that way you don't just watch a screen of installation. Be right back.